The Rolls-Royce Phantom Series 2 is more than just a car. It's a true symbol of luxury. Combining iconic design with modern innovation, it offers the ultimate driving experience. Every surface is carefully crafted, from the hand-stitched leather to the beautiful wood veneers. The front grille stands out with futuristic laser-cut headlights, which use advanced technology to improve visibility. And on top of the bonnet is the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce elegance. You can even personalize the dashboard with custom artwork. The Starlight headliner with its twinkling lights that mimic a starry sky adds a magical feel to the cabin. A high-definition touchscreen handles navigation, entertainment, and climate controls. In the back side, you can get the ultimate comfort with ventilated massaging seats, plenty of legroom, and individual touchscreens. There's also a partition for privacy and a built-in beverage cabinet, complete with champagne flutes. Even the doors are special, rear-hinged for easy access, and they close automatically. The hidden umbrellas in the rear doors are designed with luxury in mind. Rolls-Royce designed an 18-speaker audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound, turning the cabin into your own personal concert hall. It's powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. The ride stays incredibly smooth and quiet thanks to the Magic Carpet Ride air suspension that glides over the road. It's truly one of the most luxurious vehicles in the world. The BMW M8 combines luxury and performance with advanced technology. Its bold and sporty exterior features a large kidney grille, sleek lines, and aerodynamic design. With a carbon fiber roof, it lowers the car's weight and improves handling. The 20-inch wheels and optional high-performance tires add to its sporty appeal. The M8 offers a luxurious cabin with merino leather and carbon fiber trim. The heated and ventilated seats provide comfort with multiple adjustments. The iDrive 7 system features a 12.3-inch digital display and a 10.25-inch touchscreen with gesture controls. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system is impressive. The 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine produces up to 617 horsepower in the competition variant, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.0 seconds. The top speed is 155 miles per hour, extendable to 189 miles per hour with the M-Drivers package. Safety features include active driving assistant, blind spot detection, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. The parking assistance package offers a surround view camera and automated parking. Customization options let you choose various exterior colors, interior trims, and performance upgrades through BMW M Performance parts. The BMW M8 is a fantastic blend of luxury, technology, and performance, making it a top contender in the high-performance luxury segment. The BMW i7 M70 is a high-performance luxury electric sedan that mixes elegance with the latest technology. BMW's large kidney grille and slim LED headlights give it a futuristic look, while the smooth aerodynamic lines improve performance. The large wheels give it a strong, bold presence on the road. The body is made from a blend of strong steel and a lightweight aluminum, keeping you safe while adding stability. Inside, it's all about luxury and comfort. You'll find premium leather, soft plastics, and either wood or metal trim. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with heating, ventilation, and massage options in the front. In the back, the seats offer an executive-level experience with lots of legroom and reclining features. Soft ambient lighting adds to the relaxed vibe, and you could even customize the colors to fit your mood. The dashboard is modern and packed with tech. A large curved display combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen for controlling everything. The Bowers & Wilkins sound system makes your favorite music sound incredible. With dual electric motors delivering 650 horsepower, you can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The battery gives you an impressive range, and with fast charging, you can charge up to 80% in about 30 minutes. The xDrive all-wheel drive system means smooth handling, no matter what type of road you're on. The car is packed with advanced driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an automated parking system. The laser headlights help you see better at night, and the adaptive air suspension makes sure the ride stays comfortable even on bumpy roads. The cabin stays quiet thanks to top-notch soundproofing, even at high speeds. The Sky Lounge panoramic roof, which has LED lights that create a starry sky effect, and rear seat entertainment screens. The BMW i7 M70 brings luxury, advanced technology, and powerful electric performance together in one great package. The Mercedes-AMG GT63 is not just a car, it's an exciting experience. This luxury sedan combines stunning looks, advanced technology, and thrilling performance. Its sleek design features a distinctive panoramic roof, bright multi-beam LED headlights, and an adjustable rear spoiler for style and stability. Inside, the cabin feels both luxurious and sporty. The leather seats, surrounded by carbon fiber and glowing with 64-color LED ambient lighting. The advanced MBUX system comes with dual 12.3-inch displays for the instrument cluster and infotainment, voice recognition, and a fantastic Burmester surround sound system that makes every drive enjoyable. It combines a powerful V8 engine with an electric motor, delivering an amazing 843 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and hits a top speed of 196 miles per hour. Plus, the battery recharges in about 2 hours with a level 2 charger. With all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, you can choose driving modes like comfort, sport, and race to suit your mood. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for excitement and luxury in one incredible package. The Mercedes-Maybach blends luxury with top-notch engineering, making it truly stand out. Its signature Maybach grille with bold vertical bars and the emblem on the hood give it a slick look. The digital light headlights adjust to road conditions, improving visibility. Two-tone paint option is another cool feature that lets you personalize the car to your liking. Inside, the Maybach is all about comfort and class. Soft Napa leather seats and handcrafted wood details create a peaceful, high-end atmosphere. The 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen makes it super easy to control navigation and entertainment with just your voice. Plus, the fully digital dashboard can be customized to show all the driving info you need. For the rear passengers, it's pure luxury. Reclining, massaging, heated, and ventilated seats offer a first-class experience. Extras like fold-out tables, a champagne cooler, and silver-plated flute holders really take it up a notch. The Maybach has a 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine that delivers 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The e-active body control suspension adjusts to the road in real time, making bumps and dips barely noticeable. Rear axle steering makes it easy to handle, even for such a big car. Thanks to enhanced sound insulation, the cabin stays quiet no matter what's going on outside. The Mercedes-Maybach brings together luxury, advanced tech, and performance in a way that's hard to beat. The Audi e-tron GT is a luxury electric car that combines sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Its low, wide stance gives it an aerodynamic profile, while the partially closed single-frame grille and sporty front bumper add a bold touch. Sculpted lines and LED headlights enhance its stylish and modern look. At the rear, dynamic LED taillights with a full-width light bar emphasize the car's width and stability, making it appear strong and planted on the road. Standard 19-inch alloy wheels can be upgraded to 20 or 21 inches for a sportier appearance, and the optional carbon fiber roof reduces weight and boosts performance. Inside, the e-tron GT offers luxury and comfort with premium materials like Napa leather and Alcantara. The seats are not only stylish but also feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions for added convenience. The spacious cabin provides generous legroom and headroom. The dashboard includes Audi's MMI touch response system with 2 touchscreens, a 10.1-inch screen for infotainment and navigation, and an 8.6-inch screen for climate control. The virtual cockpit displays all driving information on a high-resolution digital screen directly in front of the driver. The car is loaded with advanced features, such as a navigation system with real-time traffic updates, a Bang & Olufsen sound system for premium audio, a 360-degree camera, and parking assist. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while the active spoiler enhances aerodynamics at higher speeds. With a driving range of up to 238 miles and an 800-watt fast charging system, the car offers high performance. The adaptive air suspension provides a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness by adjusting to road conditions in real time. The Bentley Flying Spur combines luxury, power, and modern technology in one impressive package. Its sleek design features a bold front grille, crystal-cut LED headlights, and the signature Flying B hood ornament that retracts electronically. With 21-inch alloy wheels and dual exhausts, the car has a strong, elegant presence on the road. Inside, the handcrafted interior offers diamond-quilted leather seats with heating, cooling, and massage features for ultimate comfort. The dashboard includes Bentley's rotating display, allowing you to choose between a touchscreen, classic dials, or a smooth veneer. High-tech features like the NIME sound system and rear seat entertainment keep everyone entertained and connected. Under the hood, a 6-liter twin-turbo W12 engine delivers 626 horsepower, taking the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system provides smooth, responsive performance. Rear-wheel steering makes low-speed maneuvers easier, and the car remains stable at high speeds. The Bentley Flying Spur W12 is a perfect blend of luxury and performance, offering a top-tier driving experience. The Range Rover SV Autobiography perfectly combines luxury and performance. It's designed for those who want style and power in one stunning package. Just look at its distinctive front grille, unique paint options, large alloy wheels, and advanced LED headlights. Inside, the cabin is all about luxury. You'll find top-quality materials like soft semi-aniline leather and beautiful wood veneers. If you choose the long wheelbase version, you get even more legroom, the rear seats recline, and the center console can include a refrigerator, heated armrests, and a fold-out table, perfect for road trips. The Touch Pro Duo infotainment system and the amazing Meridian sound system make every drive feel special. The Pibi Pro infotainment system features a 13.1-inch touchscreen that's super easy to use. Standard features include a panoramic sunroof, a high-quality and 4-zone climate control, safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control give you peace of mind while driving. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 5.0-liter V8 supercharged engine with 557 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. Pretty impressive for a large SUV. The all-wheel drive system and air suspension ensure a smooth ride, whether you're on the highway or off-road. The dynamic response system keeps the vehicle stable during sharp turns, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Convenient features like deployable side steps make getting in and out easy. And the activity key lets you lock or unlock the SUV without a key fob. The interior's ambient lighting is customizable, allowing you to set the mood with different colors. On the road, it offers a comfortable and controlled ride, thanks to the adaptive dynamics system that adjusts to road conditions. It handles beautifully at any speed, staying stable and smooth. The Range Rover SV Autobiography is the ultimate luxury SUV, blending comfort, technology, and performance in one amazing package. The Cadillac Escalade is a full-size luxury SUV that really stands out. It's all about style, technology, and power. The first thing you'll notice is that bold grille with the Cadillac emblem. And those vertical LED headlights and taillights look amazing and make sure you're visible on the road. The sleek body design adds a touch of modern style, but still keeps that tough SUV feel. Plus, depending on the trim, you get massive 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels. The full LED lighting isn't just for looks, it helps with visibility too. And the panoramic sunroof gives you a wide-open view, whether you're driving under the sun or stars. Inside, it's pure luxury. Think premium leather, real wood trim, and metal accents. There's room for everyone, with 3 rows of seats, they're heated and ventilated. You can also choose captain's chairs or a bench for the second row, and the third row folds down with just the push of a button. Super easy. The Escalade comes with an impressive OLED display that works with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. You've got everything at your fingertips. A 36-speaker AKG sound system makes it feel like a concert in your car. Passengers in the back won't get bored either, with dual 12.6-inch touchscreens for streaming or gaming. When it comes to performance, there are two engines to choose from: a powerful 6.2-liter V8 or a more fuel-efficient 3.0-liter turbo diesel. Both work with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth driving. You can also add cool extras like night vision and a surround view camera system. Adaptive suspension even adjusts the height of the car for better efficiency and easier access. It's definitely a top choice if you're looking for a full-size luxury SUV that has it all. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is setting a new standard for luxury cars, combining classic design with the latest technology. Its sleek and aerodynamic shape looks modern, but still carries the iconic Rolls-Royce style. The bold grille and signature LED headlights make sure it stands out, and the new Spirit of Ecstasy mascot adds a fresh, dynamic touch. Inside, the Spectre is all about luxury. The cabin is filled with handcrafted leather, beautiful wood, and unique details that show off amazing craftsmanship. The Starlight headliner creates a magical effect, while LED-lit door panels give it a modern feel. Plus, the customizable digital dashboard makes everything feel personal. This is also the most connected Rolls-Royce ever made. It comes with a touchscreen infotainment system, a customizable digital display, and a premium bespoke audio system for incredible sound. The Spectre is powered by an electric drivetrain that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. With a 102 kWh battery, it offers a range of 264 to 291 miles, making for a smooth, quiet, and powerful ride. Whether you're after performance, comfort, or pure luxury, the Rolls-Royce Spectre has it all. The Ferrari Purosangue is Ferrari's first ever SUV. It's a new direction for the brand, mixing high performance with everyday use. The front has the classic Ferrari grille and modern LED headlights. The muscular wheel arches in sporty shape. They show off both its power and versatility. Inside, it's all luxury. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials: leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. It comfortably seats up to 5 people, with plenty of customization options to make it your own. The control panel is easy to use, with touchscreens for climate, entertainment, and other settings. Everything's designed to give you a smooth, enjoyable driving experience. The driver gets a customizable 16-inch digital display with all the key info. On the road, it impresses with fast acceleration, steady cornering, and strong braking for a thrilling yet safe drive. Ferrari's giving it their powerful V8 and V12 engines, so expect some serious speed. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of over 193 mph. The advanced suspension and responsive steering make sure the ride feels smooth, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system keeps traction tight without losing Ferrari's signature agility. It's also set to shake up the luxury SUV world. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is the world's most expensive car, with a price tag of about $28 million. This car is a stunning mix of art, craftsmanship, and technology. Inspired by luxury yachts, the Boat Tail has a long, elegant body and customizable two-tone paint that changes color in different lighting. The rear deck opens like butterfly wings, revealing a hosting suite with champagne coolers, fine cutlery, and even a retractable parasol. Step inside. The leather can even be customized with designs like floral patterns stitched into the seats. The 21-inch Goodyear white wall tires and rose gold wheels, making this car stand out like no other. It's packed with the latest tech, infotainment, premium sound, and driver assistance features. Plus, the Beauvais 1822 timepieces that can be worn as wristwatches. Under the hood, there's a V12 engine, giving the Boat Tail a smooth and powerful drive. With only a few ever made and endless options for customization, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is a true masterpiece of luxury.